Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review featuring the Rene of Paris high fashion collection style Nolan. Nolan is a beautiful, long, layered, straight, sleek style that has a very trendy, flat ironed look. I just love it. This style features a 100% hand-tied lace front and a hand-tied left side lace part. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous new style. Nolan's wig cap features a temple-to-temple sheer lace front that is 100% hand-tied, as is the wide, very generous left lace part. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. On either side, you have velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the velour sleek nape are buckle adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. I really love the sleek straight style, but I did have two issues when I took this wig out of the box. The first was I had a little bit of a hump here. And I think that was caused by the way the wig was packed in the factory box. When you receive the wig, take it out of the box and set it on your wig stand. Leave it overnight. This will allow the fibers to settle down and lay properly. If that doesn't work, you can take a steamy washcloth, place it on top of the wig, and hold it for a minute or two, which should help smooth out any irregularities and how the fibers should lay. This is not a heat-friendly wig, so you cannot use heat tools. My second issue was this. The front long layers tend to fall into your face. Now, to remedy this problem, you have several choices. You could certainly take a steamer and try to train the fiber back off of the face. You could also wear it off the face and use wig styling spray to hold the fiber in place. You could also braid the hair back and pin it, or just pin the fiber back as is. You can also take the section of hair that's falling in your face and tuck it behind your ear. Nolan's wig cap is an average size, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now, I have the buckle adjusters on the loosest setting, and this style fits me a little snug right out of the box, so I don't think that this style would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. However, if you are a petite or petite average, I think you can wear this style without a problem. The fiber is high quality Moda acrylic synthetic fiber. It is not heat friendly. It feels very smooth and silky to the touch. It is not shiny. I'm very happy with the quality of this fiber. Nolan's lace front is 100% hand tied. The lace is sheer. I'm not entirely happy with the look of the lace front. You could certainly pluck it to perhaps give it a more realistic looking shape. I think it looks very machined. The left hand side lace part is well done. It gives the appearance of fiber growing right from the talk about this beautiful color, Rose Gold R. This is a rooted color. It's a medium honey blonde blended with ash blonde, especially here at the top. And then you have a light golden brown nape and dark brown roots. It's a very natural looking blonde shade. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. You have many styling options with Nolan. You can wear this style tucked behind the ear, very pretty. You can also wear this style in a ponytail. When you secure the style in a ponytail, the sleek, long front layers will fall forward. So you can either pin those back, braid them, or use styling spray to hold them back. This style is a little tricky to put into an updo, simply because the sleek, long layers that are shorter up front than in the back tend to fall forward and out of your claw clip. But here she is in an updo. You can also wear this style off the face. You can use a headband, a barrette to hold it back, or you can simply style it off the face and use wig styling spray to hold it in place. If you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. If you wear Nolan, we would love to hear your experience with this style. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Nolan in any of the beautiful Rene of Paris salon colors, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. You know, I've received wigs from Pinky Promise for a couple of years now. I've always been happy with the customer service, which is why I recommend them. And if you have questions before you buy, you simply email support@pinkypromise.com and you'll get answers. Now, when you visit the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review of the new Nolan style by Rene of Paris. Take care. Bye-bye.